to create a logo in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, how many logos and how many simple logos I will create. So let's start with the first one. The color of the logo and little bit the logo alignment will be little different. So let's see how much perfect logo I can create. So creating the first one. This will improve your work. See, to check how the creator takes time to create even a simple logo. I feel personally to creating a simple logo, it's a very difficult task. So let's see. You can take this challenge as yourself also, and you can comment me in the comment box how many logos you have created and which you have created. Whenever I feel about the logo, these are the logos which come to my mind. They are so simple logo, but it creates a difficult impact on us, or you can say great impact on us. See, now I have created a first logo, that is McDonald's logo, and I really like the logo. Simple, it is created in simple shapes and color is very nice. So let's create the other logo. You can take this as a fun challenge, and you can also create various logos which is simple and which comes to our mind, and we can create on the spot. So do you remember this which logo it is? See which logo I have created, mention in the comment box. Simple and elegant logo. Oh, I have created 2 logos. Let's start with the third one. Which logo is this? Can you identify? Please don't judge how I am creating logos, but you can see in 10 minutes we can create as much as logo, and some more creators can create more logos than me, but I can create only this much logo. Oh, this is a MasterCard logo. Okay, I have created third one also. Now let's go forward. Okay, now what is coming in my mind? Which logo I'll create? Oh, I don't remember which logo I will create. Can you suggest me one? Oh, it's a glitch, I think. I forgot what I will create now. Oh no. Think for a while and let's start. Okay, so do you know which is this logo? Let's see how many of you knows this logo. Comment me in the comment box which logo is this. Okay, I have done this one also. Oh, my timer is now 5 minutes and 18 seconds. So which more logos we can create? Okay, If you love this fun challenge, then please let me know in the comment box that you want some more videos regarding this, so that we can create some more logos which will be beautiful, but we can create on the spot also. But we can think which logos, we can select some of the logos which can create in how many minutes, and we can create in how many minutes we can create such logos. So that will be a fun challenge. It's a great idea to create selecting logos in how many minutes will be another challenge. You can notice, right, in so many I have used only basic logos and the basic shapes to create this logo, and see how elegant these logos are. And really, it's a very nice logo, and we can also create. Oh, oh no, I feel some mistake I have done while creating this. Oh, okay, let me fix this by this. Okay, not bad. I can create this, not bad. Yes, okay. So okay. Oh, it is taking much time to create this. Okay, never mind. Let's create it. Delete all the unwanted parts and take a reflection of that logo. Let's see now it is okay or not. Okay, I feel it is a little more difficult also. Okay, let me see. Okay, never mind. We will complete this logo. Yeah. Okay. Let me change the color of this. Yes, it looks okay, but not so perfect, but it's okay. As it is a fun challenge, we can adjust at least this much. So what about next? Okay, oh, I have 1 minute 27 seconds, so let's start with this one. It's a very simple logo and it can create very fast. Okay, let me change the offset value. Oh yes, it is perfect. So yes. Okay, one more logo I have done. You know which logo is this? Okay, I have created so many logos. 6 logos I have created. Can we try one more logo? Let me see the time. Yes, I have 43 seconds. 42. So which logo I can create? Which logo? Let me see. Oh guys, I am stuck now. Yes, I found one. So let me try whether I can complete in time or not. If not, we will stop the timer, and finally I will complete this logo. But this logo will not count in the 10 minutes. Oh yes. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, my timer is close. Okay guys, so we can create 6 logos. We have created 6 logos in 10 minutes. Now let me finish this logo because I have started this. So anything you will start now, you have to finish them. So let me finish this one. Till now you have recognized, right, which logo I am creating. Hope you find it. So these are the logos you can create. So see you in the next video with another fun challenge. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.